Hi Sabika family, I am Alex, head designer and CEO. Thanks for joining me for another one of my mix and match videos where I get to share some styling tips with you, show you all the gorgeous products that we have available right now, and hopefully inspire you to kind of play with your style a little bit. So don't forget to click share on this video, as well as tag a friend below for a chance to win one of our weekly giveaways. Please also comment below anything you'd like to see in these videos. I really appreciate you all watching. I appreciate you shopping your Sabika and adding to your styles. So let me know in the comments below what things you're loving and what things you'd like to see in upcoming videos. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you our look of the week. I'm so excited about this one. This is going to be a staple in your Sabika wardrobe that I know you're going to love season after season. So it's this gorgeous fun choker here with the matching fun stud. I'll give you a little close up here. This beautiful color is like a bronzy gold and it's set in the shiny silver. This is from our fall product drops. And I just love it. I'm going to show you lots of different ways to style this. You can see it in the natural light here, how gorgeous this color is. It's a little bit more of a stronger gold or brass with some brassy undertones, but you can see how it picks up the yellow and kind of the warm tones. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you a few of my personal favorite pieces to layer with. All right, if you haven't gotten the paperclip chain, ladies, and all of you out there, do not miss out on these absolute must-haves for your Sabika wardrobe for your styling purposes. I'm telling you, this is going to be a chain you do not regret. So here I've just layered in, I did a simple twist, adding in that little extra texture and mixing the metals. So we've got the shiny silver in the setting, we've got this gorgeous gold paperclip chain, and then of course the crystals that really make it shine and sparkle. So that's one option. Another option is using from our Almi collection. We've got this really gorgeous little heart charm necklace from our Almi. I love this piece. It's got the star crystal and it's on this beautiful chain. You can actually remove this completely and just wear the chain by itself, but I love it with the little clustered charm. And just so you can see what a great basic this choker is, look how beautiful. So again, just adding that little charm and just totally changes up the look. All right, next I wanted to show you just mixing up the metals, right? Are you brave enough yet to mix those metals? I hope so. I hope I've inspired you to do that. So for this next look, I wanted to layer in and show you how gorgeous this multi-row from our favorites. I'm gonna show this little trick again. I know sometimes with these multi-rows, they get a little bit, twisted up. So I always take one end and kind of just like follow one of the chains down, and it will, you can kind of untangle the rows that way. So it's a little tip and trick for if you're gotten a little twisted up. So this is our multi-row in the rose gold. And I love this chain. So this has been, I think, the top seller of the multi-row chains is this gorgeous rose gold, especially right now in the fall and winter. I absolutely love it. And I love this layered, look at how beautiful that is. So it really changes the whole look of the crystals. It changes the tone of it. And I think it's just such a fabulous way to kind of layer up. And it really does make it more daytime by like adding in those multiple layers of chains. All right, next I wanted to just show you adding this with, again, these studs are gonna be so great for every day. If you have multiple holes, you can even wear it in your second or third hole. That would be super cute. But I wanted to show you this statement earring that also would look really great with this necklace. This is from our Vault Sale selection. I've shown this in a previous video. These are so fabulous. Look at that. So with a statement earring, I do like to keep it more simple and neutral in the necklace. So this is a great way to pair those together. I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna keep kind of moving through because this is such a great piece to just have and layer with so many different pieces. So that's why I wanna kind of breeze through and show you lots of different combinations. So this is also from our fall collection. I love this piece. I've seen many of you already wearing it and enjoying it. I love it. So this is another great combination. So you can see, again, it really is this neutral color that you can mix and match in with so many different pieces. So I've got this statement earring from our Vault Sale selection. I want to show you just if you're looking for something a little bit different, perhaps a little bit more edgy in the look. These earrings are so, so cool. I love that metallic sculptural look with kind of these pieces, just gives it an elevated look. All right, the next look I wanted to share with you is just a quick bracelet look using some of our currently restocked items. So we just did a restock this morning. There are still some gorgeous pieces available, so do not miss those pieces that are being restocked right now. All right, I'm gonna find my bracelets here. So I'm gonna start with this gorgeous piece. Look at those luscious fall colors. I love the gold tones. And you know, if you're looking for a color right now in fall, I definitely see this gold shadow as being it. It's got all those gorgeous kind of like fall spice vibes. And we're gonna add in our bracelet that just got restocked, also from fall. And this is a great basic as well. I love the combination of the black and the silver. So we're gonna add this in to this cute little bracelet stack here. Then I'm going to do a ring. I love stacking rings. I'm sure you've seen on past videos too, if you've watched before. I love stacking up rings, so I thought it would be really cool to add in this ring from our fall drops. And we've got this gorgeous medallion ring from our Vault Sale selection. And I just love the combination of the different neutral colors. So we've got these gorgeous rings, gorgeous bracelets, and then I would finish it off with a drop earring like this beautiful heart drop earring in the gold shadow. Again, a really great neutral to have. This is gonna go with absolutely everything, and I love the size and shape of this little drop earring here. So again, here's the complete look with the rings, the bracelets, and the earring. All right, I'm gonna keep going here because I wanted to show you also, again, not being afraid to mix those metals and kind of try some different looks. We've got some gorgeous basic or kind of layering pieces in our favorites. So I'm gonna show you, I'm actually gonna keep this medallion ring on. I just love this so much. So this is our multi-row chain, also from our favorites. I showed you the rose gold. This is the gold version of that. We also have a bright silver. I love this piece because it's great by itself, but it's also a really wonderful layering piece. So you've got 3 rows here. This is great for every day. And then I'm gonna just layer in a couple of different options for you that I wanted to just show you how to, don't be afraid to mix those metals and kind of change up the colors. So here we've got this gorgeous piece from our fall drops that we're gonna layer into the chains. I just want to show you how gorgeous this color combination is. So again, just very much changes it up. You can see you're getting kind of those warmer tones. It's picking up some of the navy and even those burnt oranges. So I really love this look. You could go back to just the gold drop earring just to pick up those little flashes of gold. That would be gorgeous. Actually, I'm just gonna pop this in so you can see it. And then another option with layering this with the 3-row gold would be, if I can get this one, this beautiful heart necklace that we have from our fall collection. I can't believe this is actually still in stock. Stunning with the reds and the, you've got yellow, you've got so many different colors in this piece, which is absolutely stunning. And I really love it with this multi-row gold chain. Isn't that beautiful? So this is going to transition really well into the holidays too. You got all these beautiful bright jewel tones. All right, I know I've got so many looks for you today. I just couldn't help myself and felt so inspired by all these gorgeous fall colors. So the next pieces I'm going to show you are ones that are dropping this Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are one of my favorite drops that we've had this season. gonna start with the necklace here. Look at how gorgeous this is. So these are custom made, custom colored beads from Austria. And then we've got this gorgeous Austrian crystal in the center here. I love the cut of this teardrop. And so we changed up the design a little bit to make it kind of on its side, and I just think it's so stunning. It's very modern, very beautiful in kind of the shape and the color combination there. We also have a matching earring that is dropping with this look. So we've got the elongated oval. This is a similar style, or this is the same style, just different color and different bead than in our fall collection. But I love, you can see there's like a slight AB shimmer on this piece, so it's going to pick up all those gorgeous tones around it. And the statement earrings that have these studs are just so great. So you've got this beautiful teal kind of bead with this beautiful crystal accent. So I wanted to show you a quick combination with these pieces. We have this gorgeous little stretch bracelet from our Vault sale selection. And I'm going to add in our London bracelet from the favorites. So you get like a gorgeous little set here with the necklace, the bracelets, and the earring. All right, let's see. I've got a couple more looks before I end the video to show you. So again, just hoping that all these looks are inspiring you to try something new and update your style with some new Sabika pieces. So I wanted to show you another piece that just restocked. I love this piece from fall, and just a very quick combination. I just thought it was so gorgeous with this blouse I have on, and just really celebrating those beautiful fall tones. So here's a quick combination. I love also our Indicolite fun choker. This is also still available. I just wanted to show you, because I don't think I had a chance to show you this combination, since this is now restocked and this is still available. I mean, look at that. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Love these vibrant colors together, and especially with this orangey tone. So as an earring, we also just restocked these beautiful rectangular drop earrings. Please don't miss out on these. They are so special. This blue opal color is so striking. It's so beautiful, and I know it's going to be a color that you're going to wear into all the different seasons. Like summer would be beautiful with this as well. A quick change out in the necklace, just to show you one more option with the choker. We just dropped this beautiful medallion last week. This is still available and would look absolutely gorgeous. I have it twisted up here, so actually I'm just gonna hold it up so you can see. Look at how beautiful that combination is together too. So lots of options. This is another one of those great chokers, like standard kind of pieces you want to have within your Sabika wardrobe to be able to mix and match. And actually I'm just going to do this impromptu too. I wasn't planning on it, but look at this combination. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. So you can see my simple twist is just weaving one side in the middle there, and then I'm hooking it in the back. Oh my gosh, I love this color combination. So obsessed, so pretty. All right, do not miss out on these pieces. I'm telling you, don't regret what you did not get. All right, last but not least, I wanted to remind everyone we only have a few days left of our pink power collection being available. I do really ask, not just encourage, but ask you to get that one more pink power piece. Share with your friends. If you're looking for holiday gifts, this is a wonderful gift that it gives back so much. You can feel so good about these pieces. And I really want to sell all of them out, so I need your help with that. Spread the word so that we can really maximize our donation to BCRF. And these pieces are just so gorgeous. So they're going to make you smile. They're going to bring you so much joy, especially knowing that they are for such a good cause. So again, the pink power pieces, we have some beautiful styles still available. Those are only available through the end of October, and each piece, a portion is donated to BCRF, who are doing amazing things in funding life-saving research to end breast cancer. So I'm going to leave you with one last mix and match look. This is our gorgeous statement chain necklace from the fall collection, and I just wanted to show you like how cool this combination is. The power of pink, and it's just a beautiful style as well. You're going to feel fabulous and like a queen when you have these pieces on. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click share as well as tag a friend below for a chance to win one of our weekly giveaways. Don't forget to get your pink power piece. Get that one more piece. Share it with all your friends. Make sure they are supporting this important cause. I really thank you from the bottom of my heart. We are helping to save lives through these beautiful pieces. I wish you a wonderful rest of the week. Don't forget to connect with your stylist and watch for that product drop coming this Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And thanks again for watching. Bye.